Hi, it's Darth here from Martians vs Rednecks NFT, and in this video we're going to look at how to use Discord. Discord is really popular, especially in the world of gaming, NFTs and crypto. So buying and holding digital assets is great, but being part of a community is even better. It literally is life-changing for some people to find other like-minded people, find out more about what you've invested in, its future, sharing news and stories. So Discord is available on desktop and mobile. They operate in a very similar way. First of all, you're going to want to head over to discord.com and then click sign up to download. Enter your email address and details. Keep your password to hand because you're going to need that again in just a moment. And then follow the download prompts. So there you have Discord. So the first thing that you need to do is join a Discord server. So obviously in this example, we're going to join the best Discord server in the universe ever, Martians vs Rednecks. So the best way to join a server is through the official Discord link. You can search within the app, but that could take you to an unofficial scam duplicate kind of Discord where they're trying to scam people. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the Martians vs Rednecks official website, which is martiansvsrednecks.com. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, just underneath the us, you'll see the little Discord logo. Looks a little bit like a little gaming pad. So we're going to click on that. And then we've got this invite then. So we're going to click on accept invite. And then from there, wait, are you human? We're going to confirm, yes, we are human. There's a very quick captcha that we need to do now. We don't need to do the captcha. That's great. So in the top left now, you can see we've got Martians versus Rednecks just there. The reason why I think it didn't need to do the captcha is because I have already been in here once before. So what we're going to do now is click on the white circle on the top left. We've now got the Martians versus Rednecks logo. And you can see through here, look, there are a few channels. I'm going to come back to these in a second. So this is the channel bar just here. Now, if we swipe over to the left on the About Us, we've got information, look, about the team. And there's a little bit just there about some of the brands that Ben, the artist, has worked with. He's actually made the models for these big blue chip marketing campaigns. So we love it. So we're going to give it a thumbs up just there. And we're going to give it some fire just there. And then if we then scroll over, or swipe over to the right, what we then need to do is verify. So we're going to click on where we've got the green tick, verification. I'm going to click the green tick just there to verify. Now, when we swipe back to the right and we go down, we'll see now like we've got a lot more channels because we've verified. So we've got some interesting information just here around like the mint and things like that. So we've got collection info. Let's click on the mint date, 4th of March, look. And there's a little bit more information just there for us as well. We then swipe back to the right. If we go important, we've got the announcements just there. So we can click on that and then we can see some of the latest announcements. And this is a great way, if you want to catch up on the project, go back through the announcements because anything that we deem important, we put just here as well. So you can see in the middle, there's this black graphic just here. If we actually just tap on it, it'll actually enlarge for us as well. And then we can pinch and zoom and go in. But this is great. This is a roadmap, which is really great. Not all NFT projects have something like this, where we're giving rewards and reasons to hold all the way up to 125 days at the moment. So we're going to click back just there. And we're going to swipe back to the right. Sneak peeks, always a really great one to look at. So if we go just here, like you can see some of the really great artwork for some of the NFTs and some of the marketing campaigns that we've done as well. But go through these, they are fantastic. And then we'll swipe back to the right. A bit about partnerships. We've got chat just here. This is where the magic happens. So clicking just here, like you can see at the bottom, we've got message chat. So we could actually go there if we wanted to and type in a message. And you can see other conversations that are happening just here as well. So you can scroll up if you want, and you can go back through all the message history, and you can see there's some hearts just here. People are adding little different emojis to the text, so if you wanted to add an emoji to something, you can do. So let's find one just here. If we keep going down, so it says you can mint max 5 per wallet. Let's just hold that down for a moment, and there we are. We can add some emojis to that, or we can click on the smiley face on the right just here, and we can add one of the other emojis. So we're going to give that one a little kiss, and there we are. We've added that just there to that as well. So swiping back over to the right, we've got all sorts of other ththings to look at. So just keep going in and out of these channels and find out what you really like, and what information you want to look at. If we go to choose your tribe, just here we can either choose Martian or Redneck. So I clicked on the Redneck earlier, just here, give some Redneck some support just there, and then we'll scroll back over just there, have a little scroll down. You can actually see at the moment we've got Mothership Talk happening. What this basically is we've opened it up, this channel, for voice chat. So we've got the team in here talking to the community, and you can just go in and listen, and if you want you can go in and talk and ask questions if you want to as well. We've got this yellow one just here for support. You can actually go in here. If you've got a question, you can actually click on support, and it'll actually open up a support ticket. And either myself or one of the other senior member of the team will get back to you and help you out with whatever you need just there. We've got some international channels just through there as well. So that's a bit of an overview on Discord just there for you. Hopefully that's enough for you to get started. If you have got any questions, just pop into the chat just here and ask one of us for some help, and we'll be able to get back to you. Oh, there's one other thing actually as well. You can actually swipe from the right as well, and you can actually see a channel list of everyone who's online. So you can see at the moment all these people in green. These are part of the core team who are running Martians versus Rednecks. And then underneath there, then you've got our really great moderating team that are online to help out and answer any questions you've got. So there you are. Enjoy the community. It's great to have you on board. Thanks for supporting Martians versus Rednecks, and I'll speak to you soon over on our Discord channel.